The truck is here, and so is diamond rigging, just at the right time. The economy is finally warming up, and these are exciting times at Kenyeri Engineering and Manufacturing. We purchased 2 additional machining centers, Vidal 4020 mills. They'll enable us to take on larger work and additional production scale jobs. We were pretty impressed with the team at Diamond Rigging. Their team was so skilled, careful, and efficient. Here, they're setting the first mill until they got it just right. The second mill was carried in a different way, based on the space left to place it into. Time to put those doors back on. And the accessories, coolant tanks, and sheet metal skirts for chip control and a final clean look. 2 beautiful additions to our shop. This has full 4th axis capabilities and extended Z height. With a little cleaning and setup, here we are, making chips as it should be.